Himalaya, the specialist in Sainik School entrance examination, coaching to class 6 and class 9. Today we shall discuss 2021 question paper, section D, Social Studies. I have already uploaded videos for question paper 2021. Maths, English, IQ and General Science are already uploaded. A special playlist has been created. I recommend you to watch those videos also. 101. Who were the European artists appointed by Muhammad Ali Khan of Arcot? Option 4. Johann Zafani and Tilly Kettle. 102. The temperate grasslands of South Africa are called the dash. Wells. The grasslands, downs. Grasslands of Australia are called downs. Grasslands of USA are called prairies. Grasslands of Argentina are called pampas. Grasslands of South Africa are called wells. 103. The thinnest layer of the earth is crust. Core is the innermost layer. Mantle is a layer just next to core, the middle layer. And the outermost and thinnest layer of the earth is the crust. 104. Which of the following is an example of non-metallic minerals? Bauxite, manganese, lead are metallic minerals. And the non-metallic mineral is option 4, mica. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. 105. The emperor who ascended the throne at 13 years of age was Akbar. Option 2, Akbar. 106. The number of seats reserved for scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha is option 4, 47. 107. What is referred to as the supreme law of land? Parliament. 108. The breaking up and decaying of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants, animals and human activity is called option 3, weathering. 109. A motion of no confidence against the government can be introduced in the Lok Sabha. Option 2, Lok Sabha. 110. Ministry of Human Resource Development was created in the year option 3, 1985. 111. 29th March 1857 is a significant date because option 1, Mangal Pandey was hanged to death. He was a soldier and history says Mangal Pandey to be the first martyr for the Indian independence. So he was hanged to death on 29th March 1857. 112. Which of the following is not categorized under the Himalayan earthquakes? Option 3, Bhuj earthquake. 113. Dash, a great scholar of Sanskrit, felt that Hinduism was oppressive towards women. Option 4, Pandita Ramabai. 114. Burning of fossil fuels causes global warming. Increase in the average temperature of the earth is called global warming. 115. Which incident in the history of the Indian freedom movement made Tagore angry and made him renounce his knighthood? Option 2, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. 116. Which of the following is a fundamental right? Right to freedom of religion is a fundamental right. Right to work, right to property, right to protection of forest and wildlife are not fundamental right. So among the 4 options, option 2 is the fundamental right, right to freedom of religion. 117. Dikkus are outsiders. 118. The Supreme Court of India has laid down specific requirements and procedures that the police and other agencies have to follow for the arrest. Detention, keeping the arrested person in custody is called detention. Interrogation, asking them questions of any person. These guidelines are also known as option 2, D.K. Basu guidelines. 119. Name the Indian revolutionary who threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly on 8th April 1929. Option 3. Bhagat Singh. 120. Who is the founder of the Khudai Khidmatgars, a powerful non-violent movement among the Pathans? Option 1. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 121. What is the meaning of the Japanese term tsunami? Option 4. Harbor waves. 122. Air pressure dash as the height increases. Decreases. Air pressure decreases as the height increases. 123. Viticulture is the cultivation of grapes. Cultivation of fish, pisciculture. Cultivation of silkworms, sericulture. Cultivation of grapes, viticulture. 124. Where did Gandhiji launch the mill workers' strike 1918? Option 2. Kedah. 125. Which of the following was termed as devilish and tyrannical? Tyranny means cruel. Devilish and tyrannical by Gandhiji and Jinnah. Option 3. Rowlatt Act. Thanks for watching.